November is Stomach Cancer Awareness Month, and I am here to give you some information about stomach cancer, and I hope it will help you. Stomach cancer is the fourth most common cancer in India, and it is particularly more common in men as compared to women. And in this region of South India, especially the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana belt, stomach cancer is much more prevalent than other cancers because of certain risk factors which are endemic to this area. For example, in this area there is a higher consumption of salted food, spicy food, processed food like fried food, etc. in terms of pickles, biryanis, fried rice, etc. And these are very common risk factors for stomach cancer. Along with these high risk factors, infection with a bacterium called as Helicobacter pylori, use of alcohol, use of smoking, that is, use of tobacco. These are also additional risk factors for stomach cancer. And if multiple risk factors are present, the risk of stomach cancer becomes much more high. Now, when it comes to stomach cancer, what are the symptoms of stomach cancer? So, patients may present with indigestion, feeling of early satiety, that means they take less food but they feel more full. There is bloating of the abdomen after taking food. There is loss of appetite, there's loss of weight sometimes. Sometimes the stools might become dark, which is called as melena. That means there is some blood loss in the stools. So these are all symptoms of stomach cancer. Now, some of the initial symptoms of stomach cancer might be very non-specific. For example, there is some burning sensation in the upper abdomen, or there is some vague discomfort in the upper abdomen. And we attribute these symptoms to ulcer, gastric ulcer or gastritis. We go to a pharmacist and ask for medications. They usually give some anti-ulcer medication or antacids, and the symptoms get relieved and people are happy. Whenever the symptoms of gastric ulcer or gastritis persist for more than 3 to 4 weeks, and these ulcer symptoms are not responding even after taking these anti-ulcer medications, then it is to be taken as a danger sign, called as red flag sign. And we need to approach a doctor who can do an endoscopy and see the esophagus and the stomach. Now, if there is any problem like an ulcer or any mass or any tumor, it can be picked up early by doing an endoscopy. And if it is a simple gastric erosion or an early stage ulcer, this can quite easily be treated with antibiotics and ulcer medication. If antibiotics are given, if there is a suspicion of Helicobacter pylori infection, if there is no Helicobacter pylori infection, just anti-ulcer medications will suffice. But if there is a suspicion of malignancy, the endoscopist will do small biopsy and send it for pathological examination. And if there is cancer, it will be treated accordingly. Now, the treatment for early stage stomach cancer is simple. It can be treated by surgery alone. If it is slightly more advanced, we might have to give chemotherapy in addition to surgery. And if sometimes some patients will require radiation and chemotherapy along with surgery. If it is a late stage cancer, then surgery may not be possible and only chemotherapy might be the options. I hope the information that I have given you has helped you improve your understanding about stomach cancer. Be aware and be prepared, and you will be able to face a disease better. Thank you.